Good morning to you, ma'am. I am Marco Paulo A. Reyes. I am 19 years old, second year student of Lipa City Public College, and taking up ladderized vacation program for PSCS. I am informed from a friend of mine that you are hiring a data encoder on your establishment. During my college years, I have experienced my OJT training at 24/7 internet cafe, and I had fulfilled my goal to be a professional data encoding. In addition, I also took my second training at ASI.NET Internet Cafe with learning of computer hardware maintenance. In my OJT experience, I had learned different skills that will suit to your staff qualifications, like having a knowledge in computer and dealing with customers. I had learned also to communicate well to other people by using the universal language or the English language. I hope that I can be a strong candidate on my desired position and be part of your team. Soon, you can reach me on this number, 0920-0929-819-6404, or by email, marketwell@yahoo.com. That's all.
Thank you.
Thank you.